So problem 26 says the graph below represents the height of a football after it is kicked downfield. Describe what's happening. So in my mind right now, I'm thinking about what happens to a football when I kick it. Well, I kick it, it goes up in the air, and then it falls. So over time, the football goes really high, and at the end of the kick, it's on the ground. So that's why over time, it goes up and then back down. So my answer would be something like the height of the football rises and then falls after it is kicked. Something like that. Or the height of the football goes up and then back down over time because it was kicked. You could also say, as time went on, the height of the football went up and then back down because it was kicked.